Hey everybody, my name is Suzanne Hawken and I am with Road to Closings, and today I wanted to quickly show you something that I found interesting with regards to Facebook video ads and how what they tell you may not actually work for what you want to achieve. So before I confuse you anymore, I'm going to show you my screen and go into exactly what I found that I wanted to share with you to hopefully save you some time and money. So as you know, Facebook really emphasizes the use of video on their platform. A, because it keeps people on their platform longer, and B, it actually gains more attention from your audience. And so on Facebook's For Business page here, you can see that one of their recommendations is creating videos that are 15 seconds or less to captivate your audience and tell a brand or business story in your video ads. And so they also suggest this within the Ads Manager platform. When you create your ad, the best practice for videos and slideshows is the recommended length of 15 seconds or less. Okay, so me being the social media manager that I am, I always A/B test everything that I do because I want to ensure that I'm getting the best bang for my client's buck. And so I created two identical ads. The only difference between the two was this one was 1 minute and 2 seconds long, and this one was truncated down to 15 seconds long, utilizing the best piece of the 1 minute and 2 second length video into a 15-second video. So it had exactly the same caption, headline, description, audience, everything was exactly the same except for the length of the video. Now, based on what Facebook says, you would think that the 15-second video would do a lot better than the 1 minute and 2 second video. Well, I'm here to show you that that's not the case, at least not in this example. And so if we look at the results from this particular ad, the one on the lower section, the lower row, it's a cost of 10 cents per link click, and that is our objective, is getting link clicks from these video ads. Whereas the 15-second video is at 23 cents per link click. So quite a huge difference, actually, thinking about how much one costs over the other. You'll see that this is just over twice the cost per click, even though it is the 15-second recommended length. You'll also see that, of course, this one has gotten more link clicks than the shorter version. You'll also see, if I scroll over, that the cost per 1,000 impressions is less than the 15-second. And you'll also notice that the click-through rate, as suggested in the number of clicks that we showed you before, we're seeing a 5.52% click-through rate versus the 2.77. And the click-through rate here also shows that the longer length video has a higher click-through rate than the shorter video. So I just wanted to stop in here quickly and show you that even though Facebook recommends that you use shorter video lengths, it's not always going to give you the best results. And so I wanted to emphasize that in all that you do, whether you hire somebody like myself or not, always A/B test your ads. Do what Facebook says, sure, but also try a different version as well. That version may be changing out the video to a slideshow. It may be that you are changing out the headline, you're changing out the description. All of these things you should be A/B testing, but for this example, using a longer form video worked better than the shorter form video. So anyway, that's it from me today. I hope that you have learned at least something here. And if you have any questions, you can reach me at info@roadtoclosings.com. All right, thanks guys. Talk to you later. Bye.